Good morning, everyone. I ordered some Zaycon fresh chicken at the end of January. The date was originally scheduled for like, I think 7 days ago, this time last week, but we had the snowstorm. So they rescheduled for today. I ordered 40 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breast. So I'm excited.
We just dropped off Daddy at work and we're gonna get our chicken. Hi, Lucas.
All right, where's the Zaycon truck? Thank you. We are home now, so I'm going to unpackage this. I'm going to process the chicken. I'm basically going to wash it, cut it up, and put it into these freezer bags and then pop it into the freezer. This is the first time we ever purchased Zaycon fresh chicken, but I know it's becoming quite popular, so I thought that you guys might want to see, how this all works. Just scrubbed my hands. I have the large blue bag sitting here in our sink. So there was a large blue, like a heavy duty food grade bag, and then I cut that open, and then there was a second one on the inside. The first one obviously was sealed, the second one was not. And then when you opened up the second bag, then you have your individual bags. I'm not sure how many are in there, but I just pulled one open and you can see there the chicken is. I'm going to take care of all of this, and then I will show you how everything looks once they're in the freezer bags. You can tell the chicken is super fresh. It was like butterflied breast. The two breasts were connected just by a little bit of meat, and I literally just tore them apart. So I have a huge amount here in this pot, and then I have 3 white plates completely full of chicken. I basically turned the freezer bag inside out, and then I held that with my left hand, which was my dry hand, and I used my right hand to place it in the freezer bag, and then I would slide my hand up and catch the freezer bag at the top, and then set it back down and do the next one. And then I washed my hands really good, closed the bags, squeezed the air out. And then I washed the outside of the bag, and they're not completely dry, but like I patted them dry with one of my dishcloths. So they're mostly dry.
Like a drum, baby, don't stop beating. Like a drum, my heart never stops beating for you. And long after you're gone, 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 I'll love you long after you.